I found a very useful feature in Excel. Let me show you a nifty hack to get a lot of geographic data without much of a hassle. You will notice that as I am typing names of cities and states, Convert to Geography option appears. Click on it and your text is converted into geographic location. This helps in accruing very useful data without surfing internet. You might also notice that column width is adjusting automatically and border appears on its own as I type in data. Link in description on how to do that. There is another way to convert your data to geographic location. Select all the locations that you have typed in, go to Data tab, scroll down until you find Geography listed under Data Types option. Now, fill in data of your desire, keep all the locations selected, otherwise, you will have to fill data for each place separately. Data such as state where these locations are located, population of the area in square kilometer is available. Any data that is not relevant to your location, or data that Excel is unable to determine will appear as an error.